little babies. Little Charlie and little Bambi. Alright, I need to get up. It's time. We're gonna start this morning off with a meditation. But first, I need to go down in the kitchen and drink my little Biosentropy powder that Dr. Joe Dispenza makes that I love in the morning. So let's go. Stop, Charlie. I absolutely love this stuff. Dr. Joe Dispenza makes it. It's his brand called Biosentropy, and the one that I drink in the morning is called Pineal Power. I've been taking it since April, and I freaking love it. I feel like it gives you energy and focus and makes you feel really good in the morning. I also need it in the mornings because the moment I wake up, I am followed around by my two favorite little animals. I'm like the zookeeper. They just, anywhere I am, anywhere I walk, anywhere I'm sitting, they follow me around. And it's really cute. I love them. Sometimes it's annoying, but it's cute. Charlie's on my lap right now, and Bambi's pouting because she's jealous. So today, we're gonna have a great day. It's gonna be chill. It's gonna be relaxing. If you wanna hang out with me, we're gonna be doing a meditation. We're gonna be walking the dogs, and we are going to be making a mind movie, which is pretty much a dream board of moving clips that you can watch in the morning or in the evening to help all of your manifestations and all of your dreams come true. And it's the beginning of the new year, so we should all make one. I'm gonna make one. You should make one. Today I'm going to be doing Dr. Joe Dispenza's Blessing of the Energy Centers #5 meditation. Don't mind all of the faces that I make. I make a lot of crazy faces as the energy is moving through my body. And please ignore my dogs if they hop on the bed. They are always around me and like to be with me. I also like to do it on my bed because I'm surrounded by pillows, so if for some reason I need to lay down, I can.
One hour later.
During the meditation, I felt a lot of love at one point to where I teared up. Right now, I'm still kind of coming back from the meditation, but I feel so rejuvenated and cleared. Charlie, stop! Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm just feeling so cleared and rejuvenated, connected, loved, grateful, and happy. I feel so lucky to even have these meditations in my life. Learning how to do this and being able to go to the retreat has been so amazing.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry!
Oh god. To be able to wake up and just do this, it's life-changing. I just feel like emotional right now because I felt so much love during the meditation and I truly feel so grateful. Like all I did was a meditation, but I feel like I received a gift. I'm gonna get on with the day. I just took a shower, but let me introduce you to somebody I'd like you to meet. This is SalmaLLama, my future self. Aren't we twins? Do you guys see the resemblance? I even have my bathrobe on, so we kind of match. She is goals. We meet again. Okay, I can't get ready in this robe. It's a little too hot. We can get this camera in the right place. The struggle. All right. Ooh, you gotta squeeze this thing. Oh God. Help me. Now I'm gonna put my lotion back down here to help hold the camera. Ooh, ooh, oh, oh God. I do have a full-grown mustache right now, but that's okay. This is my little primer that I like to put on. You know what? I'm probably just gonna fast forward through this part. This is my outfit. It's very simple, nothing crazy. Hey Charles. Let's take these dogs out because they are bored. Do you guys want to go play? You guys want to go outside? Hey Charlie. Hey Charles. Hey Bam. I love my dogs. We're back. So this is Bambi. This has been my dog for 7 years. I got her when she was literally the size of a hamster. She was teeny tiny, and she was the ugliest one out of the litter according to the woman that gave her to us, which she's so cute. I think she's so precious and so cute and so sweet and the most loving little woman. This is Charlie. So he was living with some drug addicts and living in a car. We adopted him a few months ago. So Bambi was used to getting all of the attention. Bambi, you're misrepresenting yourself, okay? You are this sweet, gentle little animal. But yeah, we just adopted Charlie a few months ago, and Bambi and Charlie are still getting used to each other. Bambi is having a hard time sharing attention with Charlie. God, you guys are lunatics. This is what happens all day long. Literally all day long. All day long. You kind of look like a little sea otter. Bambi is more of a human. She's very calm. She's like a cat. She's very intelligent. She thinks about what she's gonna do before she's gonna do it. She doesn't play with like dog toys or anything like that. It's just not her vibe, you know? She's like an advanced being. And then Charlie, he is the sweetest little boy. He's just like all love. He's definitely a dog, okay? He's like tongue trying to get in your mouth, like licking your face, the worst breath ever. He likes to play with toys and balls, and he puts like the little squeaker in his mouth and is just like squeaking. He's not aware of his body, so he'll just like, you step on me, he'll step on little Bambi, and then she'll get mad and growl at him. But he's so sweet. He is actually like the sweetest, most precious little angel. Charlie, come here, baby. I am being rejected by my own dog. So this is little Charlie. Hey, he has a little bit of anxiety from his old life, and he has these little short and stubby legs, and he always wants to play. He can't sit still. Charlie, can you just, why? Come sit with me. Charles, little baby Charles, little baby Charles, little baby Charles, little baby Charles. Do you guys remember who like Ren and Stimpy were? Bambi is Ren and Charlie is Stimpy. Seriously. Like Bambi's always like, you imbecile, you idiot. And then Charlie just like accidentally steps on her. Guys, see my little, you got a piece of chicken on her face. So let's make this mind movie. Let's make this like moving dream board that is gonna help all of your wildest dreams come true. We're trying to manifest our dream lives, okay? So a mind movie is a mini movie of what you're trying to manifest, the life that you're dreaming of having. You put together these videos and these pictures of things that you want to attract into your life. And you watch this video when you're going to bed and when you're first waking up. When you're falling asleep and when you're first waking up, your brainwaves are slower. And when you're in theta brainwaves, which is one of the slowest brainwaves prior to sleeping, things sink into your subconscious mind. So you want to watch this mind movie and you want to add a song that just makes you feel so good. You want to like add something where you feel like you are becoming your future self, that you're living this life that you want for yourself in the future. And you watch this every night before you go to bed and every morning when you wake up. First thing, like don't scroll through Facebook, don't scroll through social media, no Instagram, no emails. You watch your mind movie. You're trying to manifest the life of your dreams. So let that go into your subconscious mind, not some random stuff on social media. You're getting programmed every single time you're falling asleep and waking up and scrolling through like random stuff on social media. That's how they get you, okay? So let's put together 1 to 2 minute movie that is easy and fun for you to watch, that makes you feel really amazing, that gets you feeling the emotions of your future and having like seeing visuals of what your future could look like. And that's what you're gonna fall asleep to, and that's what you're gonna wake up to. And that's how it's done. There is also a program called Mind Movies and you can make them on there, but I'm gonna make mine on iMovie because personally, I think it's easier for me to do it that way. I'm gonna show you guys an example of how I make, I just got a text. So I'm gonna show you guys an example of how I make mine, and I hope you guys make one because it's a new year. Let's start it off right. Let's put together something that we can look at every single day. Also, we're gonna make this in my bed because I live in my bed. So here I am on my computer. I have a folder set up with affirmations, clips, and photos of things that I want to manifest this year. So here I am, being abundant. I won the lottery. I photoshopped my face into there because I'm funny. And look, money is raining down. I'm going to put a positive affirmation on top of that clip. Now I'm going to put something else in there that says I am connected to the divine. That is important to me, to be connected, to be living my purpose. So I'm just going to add some photos that remind me of that. There I am, my future self. I'm living my purpose. I want to be, a pro meditator that is helping others, that is connected. I want to wake up happy every morning. So that's another thing that's important to me. I'm going to make a little slide that says that, and I'm going to put some happy photos of me and, a clip of me dancing around. I am fit and I am healthy. I'm going to add that and put that over a clip of me earlier this year where I liked my body more and I was a little bit more in shape. And then, of course, YouTube. I'm doing things that I'm passionate about. So that's something else that's important to me. This is just a quick little thing that I put together, guys. You want to put a lot more effort and thought into this. And then you want to add a song that really makes you feel super excited and that makes you feel the elevated emotions of your future. So elevated emotions are joy, happiness. So here is a little example of the video I made. You want your video to be 1 to 2 minutes long, nothing too long, and then watch it in the morning and in the evening when you first wake up and before bed so it sinks into your subconscious mind. Good luck, guys. I hope this helped you guys out. It's a great way to manifest the things that you want in life. It's a little more exciting than just having a vision board. I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.